Hey guys, Sierra here from Movo. Today I am super excited to show you one of our brand new offerings that is going to revolutionize the way that you shoot smartphone videos. Introducing the iVlog UC, a handheld filming kit designed specifically for Android smartphones and tablets. With the iVlog, you'll be able to capture professional quality picture and audio, all from your favorite smartphone. In this video, I'll be taking you through all of the features that come with this filmmaking kit. So obviously, there's a lot of accessories that come in the iVlog package. Let's go through them one at a time. The Edge UC is a dual wireless lavalier microphone system that interfaces directly with your Android smartphone or tablet. Just clip both transmitters onto your subjects, plug the receiver directly into your device's USB-C port, and start recording. The Edge series transmits audio across a 2.4 GHz frequency band, and as you can hear, it captures crisp sound with zero interference. I'm outside and 50 feet away from the receiver, and I'm still coming in clearly. The included windscreen blocks background and handling noise, so you can even record in an area with a lot of activity. I'm now 200 feet away, and the signal is still coming through loud and clear. The Edge receiver picks up multiple signals from maximum range, so you can hear Mike here like he was standing right next to you.
Hello, hello, mic check, 1 2 1 2.
There's even a headphone jack that allows you to monitor your sound in real time, as well as a playback volume adjuster. It's perfect for recording interviews, dialogue scenes, and any other video where you need audio from two subjects. Once you set up your audio system, the next step you'll want to take is getting your smartphone rig set up. The PR3 smartphone holder is a great place to start. It features an adjustable clamp that can accommodate iPhone or Android devices up to 3.9 inches wide. The holder can be rotated 360 degrees, perfect for shooting wide or vertical content, and the two bubble levels make it easy to keep your frame square. The PR3 also features two cold shoe mounts for attaching accessories, as well as 3/4 inch threaded ports for mounting on tripods and other stabilizers. Speaking of which, the iVlog gives you options. The PR3 features a padded hand grip, but today I'll be attaching the bundled MVT1 mini tripod. The tripod's ball head mount allows you to set your smartphone camera at any angle, perfect for those shots where getting the right position seems impossible. If you're looking for a little extra height, you can attach the telescoping extension pole to the ball head, adding up to 16 inches of elevation to your frame. It's also possible to set the angle of the tripod's feet, which can even be fully collapsed to use as a handheld stabilizer for run and gun shoots. Finally, you'll want some illumination for your videos, especially when shooting at night or in dark locations. The LED 30 video light, as you might have guessed, features a 30 bulb array of adjustable LED lights. The brightness can be set between 3 levels: low, which is what I've selected now, medium, and high. It's powered by an internal lithium battery that can last up to 5 hours depending on the brightness setting you've selected, and comes with a micro USB charging cable. Best of all, it features both a cold shoe mount and a 1/4 inch threaded port for easy mounting. I'm gonna slide mine onto the PR3's cold shoe now. As we've seen, the iVlog practically has every accessory you could think of putting on a smartphone. With multiple options for mounting, lighting, and customization, it's one of the most versatile vlogging kits we've put together. And for those of you on iPhone, we haven't forgotten about you. The iVlog DI has all the same features as the UC, but with a wireless lav system built for devices with lightning input. If you're recording an interview, a dialogue scene, or any other video featuring two speakers, you may want to try out the Edge UC Duo. This dual lavalier system is set up exactly like the standalone version we just covered, except it has a second transmitter and microphone combo paired to the receiver. Whether you're just starting out with making content for YouTube, or if you're looking to change the quality of your mobile videos in a big way, the iVlog is the choice for you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and check out our latest content so you can stay in the loop with what's new at Movo. I'm Sierra, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.